Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shaping what others notice, so adopt an open posture and a friendly gaze. This signals approachability before you speak. Once steady, use one of two prepared openers, a brief observation about the setting or a sincere compliment, so you don't freeze. Make a small, clear goal for each encounter. Aim for a genuine exchange, and if it goes well, ask for a follow-up method. This sequence gets you into action immediately and reduces anxiety, because you already know your first moves. Once you've opened, shift into active listening, mirror a feeling, ask two concise follow-ups, and show you heard them. This deepens connection quickly. Then offer a brief personal anecdote of 15 to 30 seconds that connects to the topic. Keep it relatable and finish by pausing, giving space for response. Make sure you maintain a rough 60/40 listening to speaking balance so the other person feels prioritized. These steps move a surface chat toward mutual interest and set the stage for ongoing contact. As the interaction winds down, anchor the connection by proposing a concrete next step. Swap contact info or suggest a short follow-up activity, and make sure you state when you'll follow up. If the other person disengages, acknowledge it briefly, pivot to a new topic, or offer a graceful exit within 60 to 90 seconds so you preserve goodwill. Make sure to follow up within 48 hours with a message referencing something specific you discussed. That small act turns momentary rapport into an intentional relationship.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.